Stick to the thing. I know that I am prepared. You know, the best thing is going to be an interesting design.
Ladies and gentlemen, now is their time. Those watching at home, those in attendance, nonke manla siyabonga kakhulu. This is Kula Boxing Promotions, and we're coming to you live from Olive Convention Center. Siyabonga futhi, we've got in the house a celebrated DJ Tira. Who called DJ Tira is here somewhere. Give me a big round of applause. DJ Tira in the house. And now, Lempi was a fight in the making. Lempi, Impi, the war. Babu, Dr. Elfas Zada. This war on social media, these two celebrated giants, Uninibalo, they've been fighting. And Bakuluma Uti, I think one said, Inkabi Babi, Inkabi Babi. Yo, I won't say. Go to again. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, everyone, for being here with us. We bring you the best in celebrity boxing. And this is the main celebrity fight event. So, to all those watching at home, hashtag Impi, hashtag Utuladada Boxing Promotions. This is our celebrity main event. Are you ready? I'm running our show here. Are you ready? And I want every one of you, as we call these two boxers to the ring, please, Mabangena, call their name out loud. Sfolukona Olive Convention Center, this roof flying off. Ladies and gentlemen, here is one of the celebrity boxers. He will answer the bell from the blue corner. Here is Njilo. Multi-award-winning artist, celebrity, Zulu. celebrity bout. This is the main celebrity event brought to you proudly by Njilo Boxing Promotions. Lempi has been a while in the making. These two boxers are meeting here to settle a score, and they are ready. Fight fans, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, these three rounds, 2 seconds. 4 rounds. A confident Njilo says 4 rounds, 2 minutes. And we've got Judge 1, Judge 2, Judge 3. And we've got a referee here. So 4 rounds, 2 minutes. And you also be the judges. Right. Let's introduce these celebrity boxers. Starting first with the boxer that answers the bell from the blue corner. He wears white and gold trunks. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrated businessman in Duduzo funerals. One of the best in the game of entrepreneurship, and he's taken up a challenge to face his opponent. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for this celebrity contest. Here is Pumlani Njilo. And he faces this man who answers the bell from the red corner. Wears white and blue trunks. This is second fight, celebrity fight. And he comes into the ring because his head, his opponent, Amizan Kabi Pabi. Ladies and gentlemen, here is multi-award singing sensation, Zulu. Referee, boxers. Njilo and Mr. Sodo, please come to the ring, our board, your PSA. South Africa, if I say baby, I was screaming, so we say more. Let's give these two celebrities a big round of applause. What a fight! What a fight! I think personally, Mr. Data, the promoter, please come to the ring. The promoter, Dr. Data. No, Mama, and these two boxers, they can fight the best in the world. That's for sure. They are the best of the best. We got these boxers. Umkabi records uzoye music as a boxing. Njilo uzoye business as a boxing.
Come on, Njilo!
As we wait for the judges, and you are the judges. Sisalile scores, and then we'll interview these two gladiators. Ozizwayo aze azobamita ahlangane nabo. Ozizwayo. We've got Dr. Tangeni, we've got Sekiwe Jobe, and our promoter, Dr. And we've got acting CEO, member of the PSA board, Eric Zigayezwe Sito. And then Snontobego, who is doing the planning for us. And sitting there are my results. I'm also waiting patiently. Bernard Julius Jewelry. Bernard Jewelry as a petty price as a ring. And I've got gold here. Bernard Jewelry. Okona. Bernard, I'm going to ring. Bernard, come to the ring. Yo, what a moment in time. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the two boxers a big round of applause. This was the main celebrity bout event. And it was scheduled for 4 rounds, 2 minutes. And it went 4 rounds, 2 minutes. And we go to the judges' scorecards. The first of our 3 judges scores the contest for Pumlani, Njilo. Our second judge scores the contest as a draw. And our third and final judge scores the contest in favor of your winner via majority decision. And he makes a winning debut, Pumlani. guys here, these two champions here have been working very hard, and as a Jew, I decided to make something very beautiful for them, and it's the chain that favors both of them, and it was manufactured by Baron Legacy, and this chain was dedicated to Njilo and Zulu. Guys, you two guys are winners. You've been working very hard, and this chain that I'm presenting is very beautiful. Whoever who lost today, may God bless them, and I hope that next time they'll get the chance to win what I have here. My name is Baron. I'm a jewelry manufacturer, and I would like to thank the guys for giving me an opportunity to sponsor them with a beautiful diamond chain. Thank you very much, guys.
Kuluma phela. Kuluma makoya Berix. Kuluma. Makoya, kuluma. Njilo. How it goes?
Thank you very much. That is the award from Baron Legacy. At the moment, we're gonna have to talk to these celebrities. We start first with Big Zulu. Big Zulu. This fight, go prepare for what's gonna happen, and what's really coming in. What did you do that
Angicabanga ukuthi ikhona into engiyenze wrong yabona ngawuthi ngilwe kahle I think into ayenze kakhulu yena I think bezama ukungikhathaza ungibambe too much ungibamba inyawo you understand so and Pixar ngokuthi uwinile ne udraw ama-punches amaningi most yawo bengangeni uyazi naye bengangeni bephelele ezandleni umbambe inyawo lomuntu more than 5 times inyawo straight so uwina kanjani umuntu owenza kanjani you understand angikubambe inyawo straight kanje mhlawumbe yimo ungawazi ama-rules e-boxing you understand but akubalekeli iwini yakhe uwinile ngiyambongela usebenze kanzima kodwa nje kungenza ukuthi mhlawumbe yimo ungawazi ama-rules e-boxing yabona
Once again, congratulations to you. Congratulations. I think you are a very clever boxer. And there's a lot of things that you see in article boxing professionally, which actually puts you amongst some of the best. So credit to you for coming in and giving him a fight.
Yeah, bengamniki fight noma nini kanti nalokubaleka kwakhe bengazi ukuthi uzobaleka ngoba bazi ukuthi bekumele umnokhe out so ucoach wakhe behlakaniphe kakhulu kwazile ukuthi kumele amkhathaze and yena betshela ukuthi from 3rd round ngizobe sengikhathele but ngenaye ku4th round engibaphi inyawo kunjani.
Ladies and gentlemen, Big Zulu. I see a bunch of our winner of this contest, Njilo, and congratulations. Very strategic. You worked very hard for this fight.
Yeah, thank you so much. But first of all, I'd just like to give praise to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. greetings to my spiritual dad, Apostle Collins, my spiritual mom, all my sisters and brothers that are born. Thank you so much for the support. Everyone who came from America, Piroski, thank you. Yeah, man, it was a tough fight. You know, Big Zulu is a very, very strong boxer. Now, I saw his first fight, walking the first round. So they are right hand work like the more respect. So Coach Wabo was we worked very hard at the gym to make sure that I keep running around the gym with katas and local as a swim, no matter So this is something the stobos in, and the stobos and the stobos and the stobos, the stobos and the stobos, but there is a kate. So I think it's time to facility, and thank you so much to Knockout Legends, OJ, we're going to retract the years, we're going to Caesar, Coach But honestly speaking, the Big Zulu is a phenomenal fighter. I respect him in and outside the ring. He's such a great guy. You know, it's great to find a celebrity, I'm a humble Njilo Big Zulu. Thank you so much for accepting the fight and giving the fans such a great night tonight.
Now, what do you want to happen next?
You know, I think, I can see this trend that celebrity fights. It's actually working. If you look at this place in Abang, they are having fun. I think obviously it might be time for me to pull out the next challenge. I think the next person I want to challenge will be Casper Nyovest. I think he's a good boxer, you know, and I think it will be great for the fans again. And I think the Big Zulu tonight will be great for him to come back in the ring. Someone besides what he couldn't survive anything. That's it for me.
There you have the winner calling out Casper Nyovest. Maybe that will happen. And the promoter, Shuna Dada, but first, Sinigazu DJ, you hear supporting boxing, and you can see boxing. The crowds are coming, they're loving it, and I'm sure now one of these days will be in the ring. But what did you think about these two boxers in a few weeks?
Congratulations to Njilo. Siyabonga Zulu ngesibindi sami sokuthi uvuma ukuthi ungene eringini. Kodwa-ke asiqedile lana. Sesifuna-ke manje main match will be Big Zulu versus Casper Nyovest.
Casper Nyovest, they're calling you out. Dr. Dada, what a phenomenal fight this fight here today.
Thank you so much. Sibonga kakhulu kubo bonke abahambele lo mcimbi. Ikakhulukazi sibuka ukuthi uzoba ne-battle of the genres qala ekuyiyona kade kuyi-elimination yayo la. We're looking forward to DJ Tira qala versus Casper Nyovest. That's first one. Second one, uzobe lendile u-Big Zulu. Also wina lapho uzoza Big Zulu. Ngapha kulokhunjani umfoka Njilo cha umfoka Njilo uzobhekana nokhuzani akayikhuzani ubethe amaphinta akakasiketheli upromote mina yena uzotshela ukuthi uyodlala nobani siyabonga kakhulu.
There you have it. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We go back to professional boxing, and thank you to our dignitaries, members of the PSA Boxing Board. Thank you for being with us and being part of this. And our celebrities, if you want to take pictures, they're always available to be with you to take pictures. Congratulations, Njilo, for the fight, and congratulations to your opponent, Big Zulu.